Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to launch Windows EC2 instance on AWS cloud step by step. So just go and sign in first, and you will get a code. You need to install Google Authenticator on your mobile. So it will send you the MFA code. I will show you this one also in IAM service already. Told you in the previous tutorial. 420142. Once sign in, so now this time we will see Windows EC2 instance, and already I shown you Linux EC2 instance step by step in my previous tutorial. If you haven't watched, just link in the description. Okay, so this time we are going to launch Windows EC2 instance. So the similar step what we look into the EC2 instance for Linux, the same way we can go with the for the Windows. Again, you have to select which service, go here and select the service name EC2, the same service we are going to use, but this time we are going to launch Windows EC2 instance. Go here in EC2, so virtual server in the cloud, click this. Similar step, guys, how we did in Linux instance, same step we need to follow. Just go to the instances. Once you click, it will show you any instances running here or not. So there is no any instances running, right? So go and click on the launch instances, and very basics one. See, again, Amazon EC2 allows you to create virtual machines or instances. So this time we are launching virtual machine or instances, and that one is Windows, not Linux. Okay, so now give the name. The very first one, you can give name like it's a Windows, right? You can give my Windows or anything which you like. Next, you need to select what image. It's a template, guys, which is having operating system plus the necessary things to for which we can launch a instances on AWS cloud. That is the application OSI images. So go here and you can search here also, or either go and check here. See, as I told you, if you're the first time creating the account in AWS, so you don't need to think, because you will get a 200 credit as I told you, and I will show you how to create an account in it on AWS. Don't worry. For that, just focus on this tutorial. As of now, our target is what? To select what? Which machine? Windows. So select this one, Windows, guys. Once you selected Windows, just wait. Yeah. Then you know to see Microsoft Windows Server 2025 is selected. Next, instance type, right, guys? This is also important. It's a families of instance type like T23 micro. See, there are many. If you go here, if I click here, guys, compare instances. Can you see here? See, there are families of T2 nano, T2 micro, T2 small, and T2 large. Is based on requirement, guys. If you have a requirement, then only select that one. If you don't have that much requirement, don't go with the high configuration. So we are good with, see, T2 micro, 1 CPU and 1 GB memory is enough for us. So I'm selecting T2 micro only, guys. Select the instances. Once you select, see what is giving. The boot mode of selected AMI is not supported by this. This is not supported. So we need to select for the Windows. It's not selecting, guys. We need to go for other one. Like I can go with the T3. Can you check with the T3.nano, guys, whether if it's work or not? Yeah, it's working. Unfortunately, in Windows T2.micro is not working. It's an one kind of AWS interview question also. It will help you also, guys. After that, again the same important thing, key pair. As I told you, you can use a key pair securely connect your instances. So either already have created, guys. So you have two keys here, Linux, but here again I will show you once more for the Windows. So create a new key pair, click here and give the key pair name like Windows key or Windows AWS, whatever you want to give the name, you can give it. Next, see, it doesn't support ED. In Linux, you can see both options we have it shown enable. This time only RSA, and this time I am selecting the PAM file. Now we are PAM file. See, and last time we shown with the example of Linux with the putty, and we converted the putty PAM file to putty with the help of puttygen tool. Okay, now create. Once you create, the key is, wait, we are taking time. Due to server network issue. See, Windows AWS just now generated, right? Okay, so this got generated. Now what we do? The next important thing, network setting. Or as I told you that whenever you run any instances on AWS, so by default there will be one VPC for that instance. By default you need to select this subnet. If you not select, AWS select for you. So in VPC there's only one default. We are going to select this one, but once we will see the VPC service, there we will create our own VPC. Here we are selecting the default one, guys, and here in the VPC in Mumbai region, we are in Mumbai region, guys. Those who are near to the location, select that region only. After that we have three subnet. What is subnet? We will see. Next, select any one of this. I'm selecting the first one, which is of type AP South 1B. This is the ability zone type, and which is having IP address which is containing how many IP address? 4091. And I will tell you everything when I will show you the VPC service. So default one VPC, and select one subnet and make it enable. As I told you, if you will not make it enable, then you cannot connect from your machine to the AWS machine. Okay, so make it enable. Second thing, as I told you, again here, don't go with the create security group own. As of now, we are dealing with the existing one only. Select the existing one, default. So we selected default VPC and the default security group. Next, don't go the network configuration. It's not required here. In Windows, you will get how many? By default, 30 GB. If in Linux we have 8 or 10, but in Windows you're getting default 30. We don't require additional volume as of now. It's a root volume of type GP3. That's it, guys. Very simple. What we did, number of instances, how much we want? 1. We selected what? AMI, Windows, type is nano, firewall, security group important, and storage volume. And then we are going to launch it. So we launch what? Windows instances on AWS cloud. Go to instances. Now you can check here. See, and click this one. Check this box. Okay. So the detail will come. See, public IP address and the private IP address, and all details are there. We selected type is what? Nano. Instance is running, and zone is what? AP South B. Can you see here? AP South B. Every detail you can check here, guys. Window key name, see, Windows AWS key, launching time, platform is selected what? Windows. Okay, so launching process done. Now I want to connect this machine through my laptop, through my local machine. Second important thing is, guys, go here in the security, as I told you, it's a firewall. So why I'm going for security? See, I'm going to default because we don't have any custom security group as of now. So our instance is running where in the default security group. So go and select that and there are two rules. Always remember inbound rules and outbound rule. Inbound by default Danny. It means that any traffic is coming through your instances. Security will doesn't allow it. We need to make allow. Okay. Go to the edit inbound rules. Very important. You need to add a rule. Which rule? Now from the Windows we are going to connect a machine which is on AWS cloud. So in Windows we have term called RDP, remote desktop connection. It is when you install a Windows machine, it will become automatically for you, and which is running on the port 3389, and I'm connecting from my laptop, so my IP. This is very important for security group. If you will not give, you cannot connect your machine. Save the rule, guys. Okay, this process has been done. Okay, now it's very simple. I want to connect this machine. We are going to connect it. Now this machine we want to connect it. Already it's launched, right? So go here, the machine, and type RDP. Can you see, guys? Remote desktop connection. Click here, open it, and go to show option. It will ask you what? Give the IP address of the machine which is running the cloud. So go here and in details, don't select again. I'm telling you, don't go with the private. Be there, select with the public one, copy it, the IP address. Even you can copy this also, DNS name also. But as of now, I am copying IP address. Go here and just copy it. And by default, username is administrator. If you go with the Linux, you will see EC2 user, or if you are going with the flavor Ubuntu, you will get Ubuntu user. Here, administrator. Spelling is very important because many times people mistake the spelling and they will not able to connect it. So check for the spelling and connect it. If everything is good, now it's asking a password. How we will get a password? So go to the machine and go to the action, guys. In action, you will have the security, guys. Click here. In security, you have get window password. Click the get window password, and can you see private? Upload private key. The key which you generated, right? See Windows which I generated. Open it. Done. Decrypt the password, and guys, can you see? Click the password, copy the password, go to your desktop and copy this. Now okay, if everything is okay, we connected successfully. Just wait, let's see what happened. Yeah, we successfully connected the machine which is on AWS cloud through our local machine. It will take time to load it. Can you see this? 65.0.9903. What is that, guys? Go here. Second, just wait. Yeah, see 65.0.993. So we need connected. Just load it. It's taking time to load, but we successfully launched and connected. So we have seen the example how to launch EC2 instance in AWS cloud, and we connected through RDP. And the important thing is the security is important, guys. In security, if you will not allow, in security inbound rules, if it doesn't allow port range 3389 and TCP protocol, if you doesn't allow RDP protocol, you cannot connect it. Okay, so go here. See, please wait for the local. Now we're done with the practical, and whatever you wanted to do any task, do it. And after completing this, as I told you, terminate your instances. And one more important thing is, this is for you guys. Just, can you see the IP address here? Okay, details. You can see IP address here. What happened if I go here? If I go here, if I stop this instance, and again if I'll start that instances, see, can you see, as of now it starts, so it's showing disable, and this one is enable. If I click on stop, so what happened here, guys? The IP address will change. You will get a new IP address every time you stop and start. You will see new IP address because it's a public one. So you need to check it and you have to comment it and tell me. Okay. And second important thing is, how to, suppose I want to make this IP address static. So that there's one concept of elastic IP. I will show you in, can you see, elastic IP, this one. I will show you in other videos. As of now, this is okay for this tutorial. And this one, status alarm, we will see in the CloudWatch. But as of now, just do that practical. An important thing is, always terminate it, guys. Now it's taking time, so let it be. As of now, it's okay. So we connected successfully your machine. It's taking time. Before that, what I will do, just refresh it. Some more important thing, we need to see an important thing is status check. Always remember this, you need to check this. If it is passed, then your machine is okay. Okay, so it's loading, taking time to load. So what I told you, you have to check that one, and the remaining we will see. What I will do in the upcoming lectures, I will do the Linux instance, launch it, and in that I will host one static website, and I will show you how to host a static website in EC2 instance. Okay, and then we will go the concept of load balancer. Okay, so we are going to end this video. After completing your practical, the most important thing is go here, and if you want, you can stop also. You won't get any bill, but if you better to terminate it, I'm going to terminate because I don't want to do the practical here. Terminate it. After terminating, then, as I told you, very important, always check the dashboard whether any instance is running or not, to avoid any kind of bill in future. See, just run here, refresh it, check instance 0, check the volume 0, it's a volume 1. Once it's terminate, the volume will be 0. Okay, just once more refresh it. Today network is slow, that's why it's taking time, but yeah, it's shutting. Once it will show you terminate status, it means you're okay with logout. Okay, so I'm ending this video here. In upcoming videos, I will show you how to launch instance, and then I will host some static website. Okay, and after that we will look into the load balancer concept. Thank you, guys.